Welcome to Sage Audio. Today we're looking at how to make vocals sound better. But first, if you have a mix that you need mastered, send it to us at sageaudio.com to get a free mastered sample of it. Cleaning up a vocal. Before we begin to process our vocal, let's clean up certain aspects of the performance with some editing. We'll cut out any aspect where the vocal isn't present to reduce background noise. We'll then use some fade in and outs to clean up where we made these cuts. Next, let's use a little clip gain to make the performance more dynamically balanced. If you have the program, I'd also recommend using Declip on your vocals with RX. This gets rid of unwanted mouth sounds that we don't want to amplify later on. Let's take a listen to it.
You should be tired, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We should get back, we should get back, we should go back together.
Remove nasal, plosives, and S's. I'm going to use an EQ to remove 3 sections of the vocal. The first is the nasal tone, which is caused by vibrations in the nose and nasal cavity that's getting picked up by the mic. We'll dip about 700 Hz to get rid of this. We'll then use a high-pass filter to attenuate plosives, and then we'll find the sibilance in the high range and dip that with a higher Q bell filter. If you have a dynamic EQ, make this cut to the sibilance dynamic so that the cut only occurs when the S's are present. Let's take a listen to it.
You should be tired, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We should get back, we should get back, we should go back together.
Real quick, for exclusive advanced videos, future plugin presets, samples, MIDI packs, and more, join with the link in the description and become a member. Controlling vocal dynamics. Next, I'm going to use a compressor to balance out my vocals dynamics. I'll use a quick attack and moderate release of about 30 milliseconds to capture the vocal quickly, then release it quickly so that the details are retained. I'll start with a 2:1 ratio and lower the threshold. I'm trying to achieve between 3 and 6 dB of attenuation so that the compression is controlling dynamics but isn't too noticeably changing the vocal's timbre. Let's take a listen to it. Add warmth and clarity with EQ. With an EQ, let's focus on 2 areas of the vocal. First, let's find the vocal's fundamental around 200 Hz and subtly amplify this. If the vocalist has a lower voice, this fundamental may be lower, and the opposite is true if the vocalist sings or speaks in a higher pitch. I'm going to boost this by about 2 dB, which will add some warmth to the vocal. Now, I'm going to amplify a higher ordered harmonic of the vocal around 2.5 to 3.5 kHz. Listen intently to find a note in the range that's in key with the song, and then boost that. Let's take a listen to it.
You should be tired, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We should get back, we should get back, we should go back together.
Mildly distort or saturate the vocal. Mild distortion or saturation will add harmonics to the vocal, which reinforce the fundamental frequency as well as fill in some of the gaps in the mid frequencies. If you want your vocal to sound bright, try an exciter, which adds harmonics higher up in the spectrum. For more warmth, use a transformer saturator to get some good low-end amplification. Tape saturation is usually great for the mids since it creates a strong third-ordered harmonic. Let's take a listen to the saturation.
Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. I'm crazy, oh yeah. I'm crazy, oh yeah, oh yeah. Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. You should be tired, baby. You should be tired, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We should get back, we should get back, we should go back together.
Try an exciter with an air EQ. Following our last thought about exciters and high-ordered harmonics, we can combine an exciter with an air band EQ to create an incredibly bright or clear-sounding vocal. This is better for more musical applications than for dialogue, since it creates a somewhat unrealistic sound. First, insert an exciter to generate high-ordered harmonics. Then, insert an EQ with an air band and amplify the high frequencies. If your vocal has excessive sibilance, be sure to use a de-esser before your exciter. Let's take a listen.
Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. I'm crazy, oh yeah. I'm crazy, oh yeah, oh yeah. Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. You should be tired, baby. You should be tired, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We should get back, we should get back, we should go back together.
Use short reverb and delay. For a more powerful sounding vocal, we need to create short reflections, which will cause a dense and impressive sound. Since the reflections or delays are so short, our minds perceive the signal as coming from one source. Instead of a delayed or reverberated vocal, we perceive just one powerful vocal. Keep short reverbs under 500 milliseconds and keep short delays under 120 milliseconds to accomplish this effect. Let's take a listen to it.
Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. I'm crazy, oh yeah. I'm crazy, oh yeah, oh yeah. Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. You should be tired, baby. You should be tired, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We should get back, we should get back, we should go back together.
If you're enjoying the video, please hit the like button since it really helps us out, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest releases. Use long reverb and delay. After you've made your vocals sound thick with short delays and reverbs, let's use some longer ones to blend the signal in with the surrounding instrumentation. I'm looking to create a medium-length reverb that focuses on the mid-range and is in time with the song. I'll use a preset from the FabFilter Reverb plugin that emphasizes reverb on the mids, and then I'll divide 60,000 by the song's BPM to get one quarter note. I'll set the RT60 to a multiple of this time, somewhere between 4 or 5 seconds. With the wet dry, I can blend this effect in, or I can introduce this effect as a send instead. Let's take a listen to it.
Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. I'm crazy, oh yeah. I'm crazy, oh yeah, oh yeah. Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. You should be tired, baby. You should be tired. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We should get back, we should get back, we should go back together.
Optional limiting on vocal. There are some applications in which limiting can be useful when mixing vocals, like when you're processing vocals for a podcast. When using limiting on your vocal, it makes the most sense to use as clean of a limiter as possible, as a means of reducing distortion. For example, the modern algorithm on the Pro L2 doesn't generate harmonics unless under extreme settings. But if I was using an algorithm or limiter designed for pop or rap, I'd get these harmonics. On a separate note, one trick that you can use, if your vocals transients are sounding a little too harsh, turn on True Peak Limiting, which will gently reduce their transients. Let's take a listen to it.
Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. I'm crazy, oh yeah. I'm crazy, oh yeah, oh yeah. Call me 'cause I'm crazy and I'm waiting for you, baby. You should be tired, baby. You should be tired, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We should get back, we should get back, we should go back together.
If you have a mix that you need mastered, send it to us at sageaudio.com to receive a free mastered sample of it. Also, join and become a member for exclusive advanced videos, future plugin presets, samples, mini packs, and more. Thanks for watching.